Okay, now let's take another look of the same question. Earlier we got our answer, which is 290 miles per hour for the speed of the airplane. But let me show you another way to do it, because I don't want to go through the same procedure like all the time, right? So maybe this way you guys will like it much better. So I still have the same picture, right? Same situation. It says that the plane can travel 800 miles with the wind and 650 miles back against the wind. Supposedly a total of 5 hours. If the wind blows at 30 miles per hour, what's the speed of the plane? So we have the chart, right? So this is how we are going to do it this time. And I want to see if you guys agree with me or not. So we know the relation speed times the time, it's equal to the distance, right? Well, we can talk about the totals overall wise. So total time and total distance. And what I mean by that is, first of all, I still don't know what's the speed of the airplane. I still don't know what the speed of the airplane is. I'm just going to call that P times total time. So the plane go through the trouble. It spent a total of 5 hours. So that will be the 5. How about what's the total distance? He traveled the first trip 800 miles and the second trip 650 miles. And what's 800 plus 650? 1450, right? 1450. That's my equation. P times 5 is equal to 1450. And how do you solve for P? Let me divide both sides by 5. So the 5 cancels. I will get P is equal to, if we do the division here, we get 290. So again, the airplane was going at a 290 mile per hour speed. And as you can see, that's exactly the same answer as the one that we got earlier. But earlier we go through the whole trouble right here, right? But everybody can do this, isn't it? And now the question is, do you think that we can always do this? Look for the total time and look for the total distance, and then just set out a linear equation, and then we can simply solve the equation by divide. Can we always do that? What do you think? If yes, just give me some reasoning or give me some examples. If no, talk about why. Alright? And this part is the interesting part, and altogether this is why I call it an interesting bad question. And I hope you guys enjoy this, and then think carefully about if you can always set out an equation just like this. Cool, huh? This is a picture of the page that contains this question. Question 79, you can do it the same way too.